This is the customer existing water heater. Today we're going to replace a new water heater for this one. You see how we can transfer to a nice install heater. Okay, you look at this. This is the transformation we made. Look at the heater, nice install with a nice pipe, everything checked. Okay, you were curious, how much does it cost to install a heater? This is the breakdown and an itemized price. But no, you don't have to pay so much. No more hassle. What you do is just to call Champion to get office one price. Okay? Just give us a call. That's simple. Okay? จุแม่พัดเตียงมาบ้างวะ